Planning your first trip to Paris? The City of Lights awaits you. Let's kickstart this journey together, shall we? From London, you'll be airborne for roughly 2.5 hours. Just enough time to enjoy some in-flight entertainment or perhaps a nap before you touch down in the heart of France. You'll be landing at none other than Charles de Gaulle Airport, a bustling hub that's among the busiest in the world. It's practically a city in itself. But don't worry, navigating this massive airport is a breeze with clear signs and helpful staff to guide you. From the moment you step off the plane, you'll start to feel the Parisian charm seeping in. The language, the culture, the atmosphere. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible. The flight is just the beginning. Get ready for the adventure that awaits you. As you disembark at Charles de Gaulle, you're met with a multitude of transportation options to whisk you away to the city. The RER train is a popular choice, offering a direct route to the heart of Paris. It's not only convenient but also cost-effective, making it a favorite among travelers on a budget. Alternatively, you may opt for a taxi. While this may be a tad pricier, it offers the comfort of a private ride and the convenience of door-to-door service. Don't forget about airport shuttles. They strike a balance between cost and convenience, dropping you off at key points around the city. Each mode of transport has its charm, its advantages. It's all about what suits your needs and preferences, so choose your ride and set off on your Parisian adventure. Welcome to Paris. This enchanting city is home to some of the world's most renowned landmarks. Let's start with the Eiffel Tower, an awe-inspiring sight that towers over Paris with its iron lattice work. A trip up to its summit is a must, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city. The best time to visit? Try early morning or late evening to dodge the bustling crowds and catch a glimpse of the city bathed in a golden glow. Next, the Louvre Museum, the world's largest and most visited art museum. This historic monument is a central landmark in Paris, boasting an unparalleled collection of art, including the iconic Mona Lisa. To make the most of your visit, it's recommended to go on a Wednesday or Friday evening when the museum stays open until 9:45 p.m. Don't forget Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of French Gothic architecture. Despite the recent fire, the cathedral remains a sight to behold. The best time to visit? Late afternoon when the setting sun illuminates the stained glass windows, creating a spectacle of colors. And of course, a stroll down the Champs-Élysées is an absolute must. This famous avenue is lined with shops, theaters, and cafes, culminating at the Arc de Triomphe. The avenue is particularly enchanting at twilight, when the city lights start to twinkle. Speaking of cafes, the Paris cafe scene is an experience in itself. There's nothing quite like sitting at a street-side cafe, savoring a croissant and a café au lait, watching the world go by. It's a taste of the true Parisian lifestyle. As for accommodation, there are countless options. If you want to stay close to the action, consider a hotel in the 1st or 4th arrondissement. These areas offer easy access to most tourist attractions and an array of charming cafes and boutiques. Paris is not just a city, it's a world waiting to be explored. Make the most of your stay. Paris, a city that leaves a lasting impression. Our voyage began with a swift flight landing at the dynamic Charles de Gaulle Airport. The quick, reliable RER train took us directly into the city's core. Paris, a city abundant with famous landmarks, from the towering Eiffel Tower to the artistic wonders of the Louvre to the lively Montmartre. We discovered that the ideal time to roam these attractions is early morning or late evening, dodging the masses of tourists. This travel guide is just a snapshot of our grand journey in Paris. If this video sparked your wanderlust, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, au revoir.